We just keep driving.
Just exactly like the way you play cricket. No, you don't know where the ball is going.
Exactly.
You are just whacking it and clobbering it out of the park.
Express.
But talking about acceleration and talking about your acceleration as a player, भाई जोफ्रा आर्चर 145 के पेस पे बॉलिंग करता है, 145 प्लस टू बी प्रिसाइज, और उनका वो बढ़ता ही रहता है.
Correct.
You whacked the guy for a 6 on your debut. ये पावर किधर से आता है, इतना शक्ति? Where is the power coming from?
ये पावर एक्चुअली मैं इतना साल से खेलते हुए आ रहा हूँ डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट और क्लब क्रिकेट इतना खेला हो, तो जब मैं इंटरनेशनल स्टेज पे गया मैं डेब्यू 30 के एज में किया. तो अगर मैंने 30 के एज में डेब्यू किया तो मेरे को सोचने का जरूरत ही नहीं था उसमें कि अब मैं अगर अच्छा करूंगा खराब करूंगा कि आगे मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी नहीं मिलेगी. सो आई डिडंट थिंक टू मच. आई जस्ट kept thinking कि बस मेरे को जाके एंजॉय करना है. what I always do, what I've always done.
Right.
मैं ये स्पोर्ट खेलता हूँ because I enjoy playing this sport.
We are going through the bylanes of Mumbai. ऐसी कोई जगह है मुंबई में specifically that has had an impact in your life?
ऐसे तो बहुत से प्लेसेस हैं, सारे ग्राउंड्स हैं. I've played on all the ground, but yeah, जो होम ग्राउंड है where I've played a lot of my cricket for more than actually 7 to 8 years now. I think decade होने वाला होगा. पारसी जिमखाना. I've played a lot of cricket. I've practiced there. I've done almost everything to get myself prepared for the big stage.
Right.
So वो एक जगह है, वहाँ मैं आपको लेके चलता हूँ अभी.
एक काम करते हैं, पारसी जिमखाना चलते हैं. In the new Tiago EV, let's accelerate. Let's go.
उड़ाओ. ये भाई
0 to 60 kilometers per hour in 5.7 seconds. ये वाला. MCG, SCG, Wankhede, and now hashtag here at the Parsi Gymkhana. Bro, nostalgia?
Absolutely. I mean, coming here every time, it feels like home.
देखिए, मैं हमेशा ही मानता हूँ किंग जो है ना, किंग को एक किंग मेकर की भी जरूरत होती है जो हमेशा आपको बैक करेंगे. तो ऐसे कोई है यहाँ पे पारसी जिमखाना में जिन्होंने हमेशा आपका साथ दिया है? Somebody who supported you always?
एक आदमी है जिसको मैं आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करता हूँ. He is वाइस प्रेसिडेंट एंड क्रिकेट सेक्रेटरी ऑफ पारसी जिमखाना.
Alright.
कोदू सर.
Oh wow, this is amazing.
So जो आपने बोला सपोर्ट के बारे में, so he is always stuck by my side, good or bad.
सबको पता है he's got the X factor, but he's also got one more factor which is called the accelerating factor. ये जैसे ही पिच पर आते हैं, the moment he's on the crease, he accelerates his innings. What do you have to say about this?
I've always just told him to play the game the way he does things, because he's a very good reader of the game. He reads the situation very well. Much before he walks onto the field, he knows what is happening. He knows what he has to do, and he's doing that.
He just does what he has to do. He's very focused with the game.
Absolutely.
Has this focus always been there? मैं टीचर से पूछ रहा हूँ यहाँ पे. मैं ना ऐसे question answer session चल रहा है यहाँ पे.
His focus has always been there, because like he, Aditya, all these guys who have led Mumbai and all, they don't lead Parsi, but when they play, we have a different captain.
Right.
But even if he's playing a friendly match, he's after the players. If you see anybody misfielding, he's going to get after him.
Wow.
Catches get dropped, so we are okay with that. But misfielding is not acceptable.
But there's one thing that we want to know, and whether you approve of it or not. Fast bowlers को ये वो supla shot मारते हैं, scoop करते हैं, daredevilry on the pitch. Like, what do you have to say for this?
He has practiced a lot of here with his sidearmers and all. And there are a few Parsi old-timers who used to say that the late Paulie Umrigar, Dilip Sardesai, Vijay Manjrekar, they must be turning in their graves up, because a cricket is played in the V. And for him, the V was behind. So, but he was knowing, so as I told you, he's a good reader of the game, good learner. So he was knowing, he was very well aware what he's going to face in Australia with the quicks bowling 150 km plus. And that's how he worked on it.
Tell us some interesting insights, any special story or something that has happened over the years that the fans would like to know.
Before going on to the field, he wants to know one thing, what's the lunch, because he's an out-and-out foodie. And his biryani is the favorite out here, so that's always there. That's very one thing. Otherwise, he's what is on the field when he plays for the club. I've seen him play in IPL, in domestic cricket, in international. He's the same boy. That he has not changed. And one more good quality is, whatever prize money he gets from tournaments or anything, it all goes to the groundsman out here. He's never carried anything back home.
Wow. Surya, wow.
मेहनत करके ग्राउंड बनाते हैं, विकेट बनाते हैं, तो they deserve at least that much.
Wow. I'd like to take this opportunity to say thank you. Thank you very much, sir, for being a part of this very first episode of our series. This is Tiago EV Electric Stars. And Surya, thank you, man. Thank you for being so super candid. अभी चलते हैं. Let's go on the drive.
चलो,
I have to drop you back also. Practice के लिए देरी हो रही है ना.
अरे चलो.